What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Today we finna do a chili cheeseburger. It's gonna be really, really tasty. Queen, hold on, baby. Here I come. That's my dog, Queen. Y'all know Queen. Y'all done met her before. But anyway, this chili cheeseburger was inspired by one of our fellow YouTubers. He's Corrupt Al 125. I'll be leaving the description down below so y'all can check him out. He do great reviews, and sometimes I think that's his niece that he has with him, and they be funny, y'all. They be funny. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Let's get it. Come on, Queen. Come on.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So here go our ingredients. We have 1/2 bell pepper and 1 small jalapeno, some onions, diced tomatoes, our chili seasoning, tomato paste, and of course our ground beef. So let's get our ground beef into our pot. And basically all we finna do is brown this ground beef off. That's all you gotta do. Just brown it up. So of course, once we get into a pot, we're gonna give it a mix. We don't want our ground beef to burn. And we're gonna make this quick, y'all. We're gonna make this quick. So yeah, y'all, once our ground beef is decently brown, we're gonna go ahead and pour off some of that excess grease. Now we can go ahead and start adding in our other ingredients. Now, to start off with, we're gonna add in our can of tomato paste. Next, we're gonna throw in our diced tomatoes. Y'all know I love my tomatoes. Next, we're gonna go ahead and get in our onion and our 1/2 bell pepper and our 1 jalapeno. Just for a little spicy kick. Now you can leave that jalapeno out. If you don't like that spice, don't leave it out. Next, let's go ahead and get this quick mixy mix. Get those flavors incorporated and start liking each other. Now that this came back up to a nice simmer, let's go ahead and add in a little bit of stock. Now I use a little veggie stock here. I usually would use some beef stock, but I didn't have any today, but that's okay. Anything to impart more flavor. I would rather use veggie stock than use some water. So we're gonna give that a nice little mix. And then we're gonna add in our chili seasoning. Now you can pick these up pretty much at any grocery store, just for a fast, quick way to make you a nice pot of chili. You know, make it a little bit easy on yourself. Now when I make a pot of chili for just us to eat with some crackers or some whatever, I usually go ahead and use my own seasoning. But that's okay for this. Just a chili cheeseburger, y'all. So we got our beef patty set out. So let's go ahead and rain on them. Salt and pepper, of course. Salt and pepper. all seasoned up on one side, we're gonna get them on that grill, y'all. Get them on that grill. Yes. This will work. My mouth is already ready for this chili cheeseburger. So is. Of course, once we get those burgers down, we gotta rain on the other side, y'all. Gotta hit the other side with a little salt and pepper. Oh yeah, gotta have seasoning on both sides. After about 4 to 5 minutes cooking on that side, it's time to give it a flippy flip, y'all. Now, of course, that cooking time is going to be determined by how high you are cooking your burgers. So once we give them a flippy flip, we're going to go ahead and get our cheese on. Now, I'm cooking my burgers at a medium low temp. It keeps my grease and everything working well. And oh yeah, after another about 3 minutes, our burgers are ready, y'all. So let's get them off of that grill. Don't they look good? That cheese all melted down on top. So let's lay our buns down. Now we're just trying to toast these a bit. Now this is optional. If you don't want your bread toasted, don't toast it. My wife don't always like her bread toasted, so I understand. So once we get a nice little toast on our bread, see, those back ones are for me. The front one is for wifey, cause she barely want hers toasted. I like mine with a little bit of crunch on that bread. But you know, I would suggest that you toast your bread for any burger, but especially this chili cheeseburger. Toast it, child, toast it. But anyway, let's get our bun down with our cheese slice on it, and we're gonna put chili right on top of that cheese, y'all. Then we're gonna add in our burger. Look at that, don't it look tasty? And then a little bit more chili on the top. Let's go and get that top bun on. And guess what, y'all? I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat, y'all. Let's take a look at this burger. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'm so glad you gave me this inspiration to make this burger, because it was so tasty. It's been so long since I had one. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.